All right, everybody, finally back today. Sorry there hasn't been a video in a hot minute. I'll break down what happened through the beginning of this week. So I was off the end of last week, which I announced in the videos last week. Then Monday, I just didn't have any trades. There wasn't anything out there. I was overly interested, didn't have any trades on Monday. Then yesterday, I actually wanted to trade, and there were some good opportunities out there, but I was having some computer issues, and it was like everything was just acting real weird, and I couldn't figure out what it was. I shut it down. It said I had some kind of disk error. It was giving me a blinky dash. I eventually figured out that I had this flash drive still sitting in there from when I downloaded my Sky Jump from the Strat in Las Vegas, and it was seeing this as like a hard drive and trying to load off of it and things like that. So the fix was to take this out, and then I was good to go. But that's why I missed yesterday, because I was having all kinds of computer problems and I couldn't rely on what was happening in front of me on the screen here. So finally back today, first trading day in February for me. It was a green month in January. Nothing big, nothing special, but green nonetheless. So green to start the year. Hopefully February is going to continue that way. We'll find out what happens in this video today. Let's trade. Alright, so first and only trade today here was on Tesla. You can see it down below me on the negative intensity scanner. I did miss a few early on, especially like ATI, Volatility Trading from the channel. Got that one, but I missed that one just making sure that everything was finally set here with the PC. So I was watching Tesla. It's hitting there on the scanner, and I'm watching it on this 900 break, looking for that nice move under 900 and get that nice big extension. So it does break down there through 900, but I'm looking at the chart and I'm like, okay, I think I can get a little bit more of a move here to make it actually look pretty good on the extended side. So I'm waiting for a move down towards 895. It starts coming down a bit more. It flushes under 896 here in just a second. Here's the flush, and I go ahead and get long there, 10 shares at 895.81. So I'm basically in here at 896, and I'm looking at the chart, and I'm looking at the range of the moves so far, and I'm thinking, okay, I'm going to need at least 893 for the next 10 share add here, and it comes down and gets to like 893.30 something. There was the fill on that further move to the downside. So was not able to get an add in on this trade here, so we're in 10 shares at 895.81. And looking at the chart, the 9 is up at 902, the 20 is up at 906. So I'm like, all right, I got to get at least through $900 for the taking profit on this trade here. So originally I was going to take the whole thing if it got up through 900, but then I was like, no, I know I'm only in 10 shares, but I still got to trade it the way I'm supposed to trade it. So eventually I switch my order, and I'm going to take 5 shares off, so half the position if it gets back up through 900 here on Tesla. So it kind of starts pushing up towards 900. I'm watching the market's starting to push up a little bit at the same time after it just dropped. So hoping that we can get back up through 900 pretty easy, and not just going to put an order out there at 900 because I want to see if it can make that pop here through 9 and get a better fill. If I just put it at 9, I could certainly miss a nice pop through that big whole number. So it's pressing 900 here. I'm watching it. I got the 5 shares loaded up. And it pops right through there. It gets up above 901. I get the fill there, 5 shares at 965, and then it immediately pretty quickly pops up to like 904 there. I put an order out at 903.90 here. I wasn't quick enough on that initial move, so I missed that initial fill there, but trying to front run that 904 number there again. So this one I was not able to get a fill on immediately or on that candle right there, which was disappointing. Wish I would have been ready in case it surged there, but after a few minutes of just going sideways, I go ahead and I use the chart to bring the order down to front running 903. Have the order out at 902.93 now, trying to get the fill there and cover out the trade to get a first green trade here in February. So got the fill there, and we're going to make $60 on Tesla with only 10 shares. So that is the trade. It did end up going up a little bit further, but I was happy with what we did on it overall. So up $60 on the day, green on the month of January, green to start February. Sorry that the videos have been lacking recently. Hopefully going forward now we'll be good to go. No more PC issues or anything like that. If you guys like these videos, make sure you hit like and subscribe. I'll see you later.